Hello, this is tutorial number 5. How to do the CountA function. So, the CountA function counts also all of numbers and letters and strings. And it also can it only counts the one that has a value. It cannot count these blank values ones. Let's see. Let me show you how it's done. First write like this equal, then write CountA, and then write these. And just go like that. Do it till here, then click enter. As you guys see, you got 9 value. In our old tutorial, we did count function, but in this tutorial, it's CountA. Let's see if you guys want to see how CountA function doesn't work with blank cells. I'll show you. Let's see. Let me click shift in this till here. Enter. 0. Because these cells have 0 values. Let's say we write 1 inside the cell. Now let's see what we get. 1. Let's say we write 3 inside the cell. What do we get? 2. So this gives it to F11. Where's F11? 11 is from here. Let's say we write 4 in the cell. We get 3. But it does not just, it counts how many, let's see, there's 4 cells that have it. But let's say we have nothing in all these cells. Then 0. As you guys see, that's how you do CountA function. Okay, thanks for watching, and remember to check out the whole list of tutorials on Excel. Bye. Subscribe to BT.